Do you want to know the key to functional, practical flexibility? Well, it's this. You've got to get strong at your maximum range of motion. So you're probably here because you want great flexibility, right? Well, great flexibility isn't just increasing your maximum range of motion, it's also decreasing the amount of time, the amount of warm-up time that you need to get there. So in that way, it's about making your maximum range of motion your natural range of motion. And the key to achieving that, achieving it in a functional, practical way, is to get strong at your maximum range of motion. And anyone who does that, if we do that, then we'll have great flexibility on tap with a much shorter warm-up. And I really want to encourage you with this because this routine is the fastest, safest way to get strong side splits. Not party trick splits. I really want to emphasize strong side splits for functional flexibility. And you don't need to be a yoga or dance or martial arts expert. In fact, as you work through this video series, you won't see a yoga or dance or martial arts expert who's already able to do the splits. You'll see me, and you'll see me working through this routine from a very average flexibility, having recovered from a series of injuries, all the way to great full range, strong flexibility. And actually, if you want to see how well this routine has worked for me, just go to the last video in the program series. So why strong side splits? Well, number one, mobility. So when you're flexible, you have a great range of motion. But when you're flexible and strong, you have a great range and mobility. It's like the difference between swinging your leg, just swinging your leg, or kicking with your leg with control and precision. Because, what's the point of having a great range of motion if you have no control throughout that range of motion? Number two, speed and power. Okay, when we move, we have a primary agonist group of muscles that contract, and that contraction creates movement. And on the other side, on the opposing side, is the antagonist group. And to a degree, if the antagonist group is not flexible, then the antagonist can reduce speed and power of movement. On the other hand, if the antagonist group is flexible, resistance is reduced and you have more speed and power. 3, reduce injuries. The stronger we get at our maximum range of motion in most conditions, the less likely it'll be that we get injured there. 4, convenience. I've got 3 things here in regards to the specific training routine. Firstly, space. A room like this is all you need to complete this program. No need for a gym or a special class or anything like that. Just a clear floor that will fit your body. Second, in regards to equipment. You don't need much of anything for this program. No fancy gear or special equipment at all. Just gravity, your body, and discipline. Third, time. If you're like me, you're probably short on time, but hey, no problem, because in my experience, to achieve the splits, we really only need about 30 minutes every second day, and to maintain the splits, we only need about 20 minutes roughly every day. Okay, I hope that explains why strong side splits are so important. In the next video, I'll do my best to explain what to expect in this program. And hopefully getting informed like that will reduce any discouraging surprises and help keep you disciplined with your training. I'll see you then. And before you go to the next video, make sure you subscribe for more content just like this, because there's a growing library of progressive training videos here on the 10,000 Method channel to help you with your training goals.